Hey guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy centric channel. So, you are going to perform the pregnancy test at home using a pregnancy test kit that is readily available in the market, and you have read all the instructions how to perform this test. And on a bright morning, you perform this test, but you wonder that there is a faint line. So, as per the kit, it says that there would be appearing two lines, out of which you have observed that there is one dark line, but the other line is very weak, very faint in color. So now you are a little bit confused over it, what it is exactly. Are you pregnant or you are not? So guys, first of all, I would like to tell you that this test actually checks the level of HCG hormone in your body. When you get pregnant, the HCG hormone, that is the human chorionic gonadotropin, starts building up in your body. And as your pregnancy progresses, this hormone reaches its maximum point in the second month, and then it again comes down. So when you have a faint line in the pregnancy test kit, it simply symbolizes that you are pregnant. However, you have performed this test bit early, and the HCG hormones are not of that level to give you the full-fledged dark line. If you would have performed this test when it's your 6th or the 7th week of pregnancy, this result has a more chance to give you more clarity. However, even if there is faint line, that also shows that you are pregnant. But to ascertain this thing, you have to take an appointment from a gynecologist, and there would be some initial test or the ultrasound that will clarify that you are pregnant or not. Apart from this, I would like to tell you that if there is only one line in the pregnancy test kit, that denotes that the pregnancy test kit is working fine, it is not faulty, but you are not pregnant. But in some cases, you feel that you are pregnant, you have all the symptoms that should be there in the first month of the pregnancy, and there are so many videos to it as well. You can watch all these videos in my channel. So if this is happening with you and you are sure that you are pregnant and you still want to ascertain it, wait for some more time. You can again check the pregnancy after 1 or 2 weeks. Now this time, better go with a different brand of the pregnancy test kit, and if the result is okay, if you're fine, and still if you are confused, then again the solution is that you have to go for an ultrasound that will tell you everything about your pregnancy. Are you pregnant or not? If pregnant, how many babies have implanted in the uterus, and what will be your date of delivery? So friends, this was all about in this video. Hope you have liked this information. If you like it, kindly press the like button. If you have still not subscribed to the pregnancy channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, kindly do so, and also press the bell icon and then select all to get notified of all the notifications of the upcoming videos on YouTube. Thank you very much friends for watching this video. Let's connect in another video on pregnancy. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.